Hello and welcome back to Kerb. My name's Fraser and this here is my 1600cc motor out of my Volkswagen Beetle. So I've been doing a lot of work to this recently. I've basically had the heads and the studs replaced. I've been cleaning it up and basically fixing a whole lot of oil leaks that it's had throughout its life. So today I'm in the last kind of final steps. I can't put the oil pump on, which is very frustrating because the one that I got was the wrong one. But I'm going to try and put on everything else. So mainly the accessories and then basically the final pieces of tinware on this engine. Also, along with that, I'm going to probably help out Chris a little bit on the Land Rover, the Zebra. And yeah, so that's kind of what I've got in store for today and hope you enjoy. So you may have seen me spraying these earlier before, and basically they sit underneath the motor and protect it from dirt and grime and also help with the airflow to keep the engine cool. But what I didn't realize is that it's actually almost half the width of the stock component here, and this actually does exactly the same job, and I thought that with the new J-pipes it wouldn't fit, but it turns out it kind of does. So I don't think I'm going to use these. I think I'm going to put this back on. I mean, I knew this car leaked oil, but like, this is by far the grossest thing I've ever seen in my life. The inside of this is terrible. That was by far the dirtiest part I've had to clean yet on this motor. That was ridiculous. So yeah, don't mind me working in the rain. It's quite nice and a little bit wet, but it's just a bit of water. So yeah, I'm gonna keep on carrying on and yeah, enjoy the nice rain sounds in the background. Gotta say, they're a lot more fun than big tubes.
No, more compact.
Yep.
You can put them in the same amount of space.
Exactly.
There's a lot of things going for small tubes.
I think they're, if anything, underappreciated in the tube community.
I think so. I think some people are embarrassed to have small tubes,
Really, it's a positive if anything. It's just underrated.
Truly.
Not truly spoken about.
Truly. Unfortunately, mate, I don't think you've got a small tube.
Mate, that small tube's gonna turn up whether it likes it or not. Yeah. I gave it a bit of a boof last time. But it works.
Yeah.
So that's it. I've finally assembled this motor. It's not completely finished. There's a couple more things I need to do. I need to get that oil pump, like I mentioned. Then this front panel can go back on. But I think I'm going to do that back at the car because I'm running out of time in this workshop. So yeah, basically now the engine is ready to go back to the city, back to the big smoke. And yeah, I'll put it in the car and hopefully it runs better and doesn't leak oil and does all the things I kind of wanted it to. Overall, it's been a huge experience and I'm really glad that I was able to do it. And yeah, huge thanks to Chris for letting me use his workshop. And yeah, thanks, mate.
No worries.
Much appreciated. And yeah, it's been a massive learning experience so far. Oh well, now we're at the end. So yeah, I'll post in the next video installing it and starting it up and all the rest of it. So cheers, thanks for watching. Go for it. Yeah, the tappet noise is gone. Car fixed, mate.